Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio and create a new base plate. This will be our blank canvas for building the stock system. We'll begin by setting up the foundational elements that will allow players to buy and sell virtual shares. It's an exciting way to add economic depth to your game, offering players a dynamic experience. Now, let's set up the visual components. Insert a screen GUI into Starter GUI, then add a frame and two text buttons inside it. One button will be for buying shares and the other for selling. Customize their text and colors to make them clear and appealing. We'll also add a text label to display the current stock price, ensuring players have all the necessary information at a glance. Next, we'll dive into the scripting. Attach a local script to each text button. This script will detect when a player clicks the button. We'll write code to adjust the player's in-game currency and update their stock holdings. Remember to include checks to ensure players have enough money to buy or enough stock to sell. This is where the core logic of our stock market comes alive. Finally, it's time to test our creation. Run your game in Roblox Studio and try buying and selling shares. Observe how the stock price changes and if player currency updates accurately. Pay close attention to any bugs or unexpected behaviors. Refine your UI for better readability and ensure the scripts are robust. A well-tested system provides a seamless and enjoyable experience for all players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.